to do a video. What's up, YouTube? Sorry I haven't done a video in a while. I figured I'd do a dry one because we're in Springfield right now. In the middle of a snowstorm. It's like how we thought it was supposed to be winter time, or springtime. I don't want to get copyrighted for the music. Pretty nuts. Barely can see anything. So a Daytona 500 was today. That was pretty nuts. Or yesterday. It's 12:55 right now. I just got back from picking up my prescription because I was in the hospital because I had pain in my lower half, but they're not too sure what it is. They think it's just a pulled muscle, but they want me to see a surgeon to be on the safe side. So hopefully it doesn't come down to that. We're going the right way now. And we got lost. There, I should have recorded that, but it's pretty much a straight shot all the way home. Let's see, but it's snowing like hell. Huh? I just wanted to show you all that. Pretty nuts. I don't know about you guys, but I pretty much had it with the snow. Yeah, you can't really see out there, so maybe I'll just focus on the road. But I know you guys like my driving videos, and unfortunately I can't do them on my other channel, so I'll probably do them on this one whenever I get a chance to. They sent me home with some prescriptions, so hopefully it'll help, and hopefully I won't need surgery. So I don't know what's gonna happen with that. I don't know. Most of you guys are probably sleeping by now, but probably upload the video when I get back or something. like I said, I just wanted to do a driving video for y'all because you guys enjoyed them on my last channel, so I'll probably do them on this one. But this will kind of be like my channel that I'll do driving videos on and other stuff, and my other channel will probably be like more for gaming. So, because I can do live streams on that channel, so, but for some reason I can't do live streams on this, so this will be like just like I said, driving and etc. other stuff. If I do something fun or something like that, I'll try to record it. I just maybe wanted to show you guys this snowstorm. Pretty nuts. Man. Huh? Well, it's pretty bad out though.
Go slow. Go slow and increase your distance.
Speaking of like on my other channel, I got like 68 subscribers. I really appreciate that. I must be doing something right. So I thank you guys for the support, and I'll keep you updated on me. So I should be okay though. We'll see what happens, I guess. Like, it mainly hurts when I lay down or cough or something like that, but I'm hoping the prescription will help. And we'll just kind of go from there. I hope your guys' day yesterday went good. Mine kind of sucked. I mean, those of you who knew Jen, you probably know that she passed away back in November, and yesterday was she was gone 3 months, and that day was a little hard on me. But it's snowing like crazy though. But I'm gonna go ahead and in a video, I just wanted to show you guys a quick driving video because I haven't done one in a while, so I hope you guys enjoy it. When it gets uploaded, I'll probably upload it when I get home, and I'll try to do some more live streaming. I don't know when that's gonna be, but I gotta kind of think of what game I'm gonna do. I mean, my brother let me borrow one of his games, so I'll probably try that one out. to show you guys. But until next time, remember to like and subscribe if you want more driving videos, and I'll try my best to do them. And I hope you guys have a good night, and I'll keep you all updated. But alright guys, have a good night.